All right, guys. It is Thursday morning. It is 25 after 9 or something like that. I just left High Country Campground. Back on this familiar road now. Heading back out to the main road. Today's plan is I'm going to go across part of the snake again. Turn right on 133, go back under Backbone Rock again, go up into Damascus, Virginia, and then I'm going to take a right on 58, and I'm going to follow it all the way to 16, and then 16 down to the Blue Ridge Parkway. Brent, one of the owners of the High Country Campground, told me that that part of 58 that I've not been on is a great, fun, high-speed, high-turn road. So I'm going to give that a shot before I get on the parkway and start doing my old familiar parkway ride home, which I do not mind one bit. I like the parkway. Yeah, there can be some traffic and can be slow at times, but it's such a pretty ride. And I'm not sitting in city traffic anywhere like I'm going to be as I cruise down 421 toward Boone and then Shady Valley and all that. So for now, I'm going to shut this off. I do not have much power to the phone or to the cameras. I think I told you about my power issues. Little cigarette lighter thing, there's an inline fuse underneath the pocket that somehow or another I blew. I'm guessing it's when I tried to plug in the air mattress. Guess it was not designed to work with the bike. So anyway, when I get home, I'm going to have to go, probably going to have to go to the Honda dealer and try to get an inline fuse. But you don't really care about that. I will be back later on today. I may record a little bit more of the snake again. Maybe not. But I am going to record on 58, so I want to save my camera batteries, my phone battery for that. So I am going to sign off for a while, and I will yak at y'all sometime before the day is out. See you now. Hey, guys. I'm back. I'm on the snake again. Just going to do some recording as I ride through this one. Like I said, I'm going to make my way down to Shady Valley and then up to Damascus and work my way onto some roads that I haven't been on. So I just thought I'd check in with you as I start the snake here. I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of talking while I'm riding it. I'm just going to enjoy these tight twists and turns. I will let some cameras run, but I will just not yak the whole time. And so as soon as I get a second here, I will shut off the recording of the voice and let the cameras run. Looks like it's going to rain. What's new? So, as you can tell, this is a great road. In and out, in and out. And it really hasn't been very crowded, when I've been on it. Of course, it's middle of the week, which is what I prefer to do any of these nicknamed roads. Which makes it nice, although it looks like I'm going to be running into some wet roads. All right, I got a moment. I'm going to sign off. I will talk to you all at some other point. See ya. I'm heading right for that. That doesn't look good. I've been lucky so far. Ran into some very wet roads on the snake. Now I'm heading up 133 and I can see some raindrops. I might have to pull over, put the phone away so it doesn't get wet. It's not waterproof. I think the cameras will be alright. Maybe put my waterproof cover on that bag that's on the trunk. Watch my speed. 45 through here and I'm doing 60. Alright, well, looks like I'm going to get a very wet ass today. It's all part of the adventure, right? Like I said, I'm going to pull over somewhere and take care of this stuff that's not waterproof. And I'll be back at you in a while. Yeah, that doesn't look good. All right, see ya. I just left Damascus, Virginia, heading up 58 to eventually catch 16. Just past Grayson Highlands. I want to do this road when it's not wet.